we have the experiment of physical change and chemical change. So first of all, I will give you the definition of physical change and chemical change. Physical changes are those changes in which new substance is not formed. I again repeat, physical changes are those substances in which no new substance is formed, whereas chemical changes are those changes in which new substance is formed. Clear? So here I will show you the chemical change which is due to the chemical reaction. Here we have the reaction of zinc granules. So this is a zinc granules compound. Here I will take, and this is a dilute sulfuric acid. Here this is a dropper. We use a dropper. This is a beaker, and we have reaction of zinc granules with sulfuric acid. Now when we want to take, now we will take some. Here I will show you zinc granules are present in this form. These are called zinc granules. Clear? So here I will take smallest part of clear quantity. Now I will add this to the beaker. Clear? When we add here the sulfuric acid, so always use dropper because this is a harmful to our body. Clear? So here we will add so check here the zinc is dissolved in sulfuric acid. Clear? So here this is a chemical reaction. You can check here the color of the solution is continuously changes, and you can check this the zinc is continuously react with the sulfuric acid, and this is the chemical reaction in which zinc react with the sulfuric acid and there is a formation of hydrogen gas. I again repeat, when zinc react with the sulfuric acid, there is a formation of a hydrogen gas. This is a continuously formation of a hydrogen gas, and there is a formation of zinc sulfate solution. Clear? So this is a chemical change. Clear? Here we have magnesium ribbon. Clear? When we burn this magnesium ribbon, this will react with the oxygen. Clear? Combustion reaction means when we burn this, burning of any reaction always take place in the presence of oxygen. Clear? So here when we burn this magnesium ribbon, this will react with the oxygen, and there will means when we burn it react with the oxygen, and this will change into magnesium oxide. Clear? It continuously burn and there is a formation of magnesium oxide. Clear? So this is also a chemical change. Here we have done the chemical change. Now we have the physical change. So physical change, like when we compress the book here, this is also a physical change. When we just here wrap this paper. Clear? So this is also a physical change. Or either when we dissolve salt or sugar in a water. Clear? So this is also a physical change because when we add sugar in a water. Clear? If when the solution is prepared, if we take that solution in the under the sun in the presence of open atmosphere, the water will evaporate and the sugar or salt will remain in the filter paper. So again we get the pure water and sugar from the solution. So these are the physical change. So now I will conclude here chemical reactions in which new substance is formed, and physical reactions or physical changes are those in which no new substance is formed. Okay, thank you.